Hey guys, Dennis back with a brand new video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's still a DIY video, but we're going to be making a potato gun. This is not a toy. If you watched any of my shorts, I 3D printed some mega Nerf style darts on my 3D printer that I modeled in Fusion 360, and now we're building the launcher to be able to shoot those darts. All right, so some of the things we're gonna need a female adapter. So I'm making this out of 3-inch pipe because I had a bunch of 3-inch PVC, 3-inch cap. So we're gonna be using a 2-inch to 1.5-inch reducer, and here's like the bell end that goes from 3-inch to basically 2-inch. And the pipe that perfectly fits one of these mega darts is the 1.5 inch, has the correct ID. So this is the adapter, so we can put the 1.5 inch PVC pipe into there. We're gonna need a bolt that will span the entire width of the pipe that's gonna be going up, and that's just to prevent the dart or potato from falling all the way down inside. We're gonna need some PVC cement and primer. We wanna make sure this is glued together really well. And something I'm doing on this particular one is I'm using an electronic ignition on here as opposed to one of the red push button piezos. All right, so I'm gonna be using my DeWalt double bevel miter saw to cut the PVC here because I'm gonna get a real clean cut. We marked our 1.5 inch PVC at 4 foot. That's gonna be the barrel. All right, so here's our 3-inch. I decided to cut it 20 instead of 16, so I gained back a little bit of the lost volume from not using 4-inch pipe. Let's first assemble the female adapter on here. All right, and you wanna make sure that you're using PVC cement, not ABS. They do have kind of like all-in-one cements and stuff. So you wanna take your purple primer first. You wanna coat the inside of your fitting. I'm gonna put a little bit on here. And all this does is this ensures that the adhesion from the PVC cement is like perfect. All right, so now that we have our purple primer on, we're gonna take our PVC cement and we're gonna go on the inside of this fitting. I'm gonna go on the outside of the pipe also. And you wanna make sure you get enough of this on. Then we're just gonna join the two together. Once it's in all the way, I'm gonna give it like a quarter turn. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing for this. Take our primer once more, coat this side. Into the reducer, as far as it will go. So that is basically our chamber where our gas is going to be, in this case, Aquanet, but not my Aquanet because I don't have hair. Next step is to put our reducer in. The back part of the cannon, you really don't have to do this on, but the barrel, I would suggest, at least filing it or sanding it because we don't want anything to catch on there. Especially, I want this to fit in here perfectly, right? Put our primer on here, prime on the inside. Put a little bit of glue on the outside here. Basically have ourselves our launcher, and all that is left is to put some kind of ignition source on here. So I'm gonna be using this. I'll show you how this works. All right, so this runs on a AA battery. Let's put this in here, and you wanna make sure your hand is not anywhere near these terminals when you go to test this. Hear that sound? It's probably kind of hard to see. You have yourself a little spark assembly. When that's inside of the chamber, whatever you spray in there for fuel, this should ignite it. So we're gonna mount this now. And we need to put our stop for either potato or dart. All right, so that should keep the dart from going all the way down and into this chamber. So it's basically ready to fire. Holy sh**. I put this over the end to kind of block the dart from coming out. Yeah, let's take a peek. It's in pieces, man. Where did it go? Oh my God. This thing, are you kidding me? sure we were gonna go through, but still. And I'm doing about a 5-second burst of this Aquanet in here. I am going to be making a air-powered one with a big dump valve on it next, and interchangeable barrels so we can shoot these 3D printed Nerf darts, Nerf rival balls, Nerf bullets, anything you can think of. I thought for sure we were gonna go through, but still, man, the dart's inside of here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Look at it. Look at it to the inside of this thing. It's totally shredded, dude. Oh, nasty. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it. You're not gonna want to miss what I'm doing next.